Mm-hmm. 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 Let's go. I wake up to a little bit of drool on my pillow, feel like it's gonna be a bad day. Yeah, I'm tired of shit, and the coffee ain't hit yet, damn, ain't that great. I don't wanna go to work, cause my boss is a jerk, and I'm not even that paid. I need a change in my life, cause I don't feel alive, and there's nothing that makes me happy. Hold my beer for a minute, I'm about to quit my job, cash in for a ticket. I'm going on a trip and I don't plan to visit. I'm gonna stay there till I feel like I'm winning, and this is just the beginning. I need a big change, help me feel like living. I need a big swing, home runs I'm hitting, and I'll never look back, moving on till I get it all. And we all got dreams, we all want things, but what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? And do you believe you can do anything? But what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? Yeah, this is my life, my strife, my right to fight, to die on. And this is my game to play, to claim a brand new name, And I ain't gonna lie to you, I'm a bit nervous that I might screw everything up that I've ever done. But what's the point of living if you ain't having fun? I guess I'll try this, try that, might miss, gotta find what I'm good at. I guess I look here, look there, over where am I scared, where am I at? I gotta make it in this life, whatever makes me happy, know I'm doing things right. Sipping in the summer on a goose and Sprite, or find a nightclub for the end of the night, And we all got dreams, we all want things, but what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? And do you believe you can do anything? But what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be?
So this is the design that I'm getting. I'm just going to tip the rock. Just tip it over. Let some of that run down this way. And then I'm going to just let it dry like this. And once we're finished, we'll have them looking similar to this. They'll be really shiny, but we'll put positive phrases on them like you see on these over here. There's some rocks there. See with the phrases on one side. See that one in the middle with the green background? Let's see if I can get it close up. And we'll write words on there. That one just happened to say, they just don't know how good you are. So I got these all on the table, and I'm just doing some quick little designs. Look at this one. This is going to be gorgeous. But what I find is that, yes, this is on the raw rock. I don't like the pouring look so much on the raw rock. On the black rock, it's kind of nice if you're going for dark colors. You see, these are all still wet. But the white rock, look how pretty they come through on it. And then I'm going to write some beautiful little words on there, like you can make it or something. So we will see. But anyway, thanks for stopping by. We'll have a detailed tutorial coming up.